Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when but 3 in 2-one reacts with lithium in liquid ammonia. Product choices are A. 2-butanone, B. 1-butene, C. butane, D. none of the above. Answer is A. 2-butanone. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the but 3 in 2-one, which contains one alkene part and one carbonyl part. When it reacts with the reagent lithium in liquid ammonia, the product is 2-butanone. The reagent lithium in liquid ammonia is a very selective reagent. It can reduce only the alkene part but cannot reduce the carbonyl part. Thank you for watching this video.